Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and ZIP archives on Android 13. So in order to do this, first you will need to get the RAR app. We've shown you how to download it in our other video. Now let's open it. From here, find the files that you want to unpack. Simply click on them, then on this arrow pointing up, browse, choose the designation where the files will be unpacked, and then click OK. From here you can also change any extraction options, and when you're ready, click on OK again, and that way you'll be able to unpack your files. Now let's move to this folder, and here they are. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.